Oh no, it's too low. All right, let me get a card. What's up, peeps? It's Bree, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a haircut. So, my client, no, well, my friend and client and hairstylist, she has, like an undercut, and she also has the sides tapered. And I sort of want to do the sides, taper the sides too, but if you can see, there is so much hair. There's, so much hair here. Let me see if you can see all of this. So I'm going to try to line it up first. I'm going to try to line it up. And if it lines up well, then we'll just leave it right there. But if it doesn't line up well, then I'll cut some more. Maybe not today. So y'all know I did restart. I redid all my locks and they look so much better. They got like a little flow to them. Look at this, That's cool. We can flip it to this side. Boom. Like that. It's giving very much like a fancy, free sort of, not really caring what my hair is going to do because it's curly, but it's the best of both worlds because it's curly and it's kinky. And yeah, that's what my hair is doing now. I'm still using the Minoxidil, and the Minoxidil is a great product because even though I feel as though I'm not sure if it's going to make anything other than just baby hairs, I think that it's important to note that if you are going bald at all, like if you're thinning at all, and you begin to take supplements to encourage hair growth in your hair, then you're gonna just be happy for whatever you get, even if it's, just some really strong baby hairs and a mustache and a beard, because that's what I got, and super sideburns. Look at these sideburns. Like, I'm happy about that looking fuller, looking thicker. I'm also happy about being black because my hair needs to be kinky and curly so that it can cover more volume. I mean, it's very voluminous. It's a voluminous strand and it needs to cover more space so that it can kind of conceal whatever thinning issue I might be developing or that I will develop later on. You know what I'm saying? So Minoxidil is good for the people that it's good for. If you're going, it's gonna once you stop taking it, it's gonna fall out. If that's what you're saying, then you probably are not that bald. You probably don't need it. But yeah, both these little areas were showing really hard when I was, like I think I inserted some pictures into the last video, and I could do the same thing here, but these C things, these little C cups right here, they start to, well, I guess these are your C cups, but these little sections right here started to be some C cups and started to really thin out, but I feel like they look much fuller with, and even if you're looking at this for real, like it kind of, sort of, looks like I don't have a lot of hair there at all, but that's why I'm grateful for the new growth, for the kinkiness of it all, because that helps it to really conceal what's going on in there. Now we are going to go ahead and get started on this cut. Let me begin by putting my hair up into a hair tie. I got a question. Do you guys call these hair ties or ponytail holders? I call them hair ties, but maybe that was the day and time that I was alive and like in school and stuff. But I talked to some other people and they were like, it's a ponytail holder. And I'm like, a ponytail holder? Y'all do all of that to say this instead of just calling it a hair tie? You know what I mean? Okay. All right, so the ponytail is kind of cute. It's very thin though, but you know, if your hair is thin, then you know, what do you really expect? I wonder, can you see what I'm doing? Let me adjust the camera. Okay, let's try it out. Oh no. I knew I should have got the guard. I didn't know that, but it's cool. All right, let's see if this is better. So now we're gonna fix the snafu in the back. I guess that the line is just gonna go up that high. You know, we're back and we're gonna do this part right here. Let me see if my sister can help me. Okay, well, you know, I had kind of messed it up a little bit. But my sister fixed it, so let me show you what it's looking like. I feel like I got a lot of hair everywhere, like on my neck too, and stuff. But I don't even have to wear it down if I, you know, if I want to just pull it up. And I mean, I don't have to wear it up if I don't want to, but I can because it's been corrected. So then I like to just put it in a loose pony, like so. And it didn't exactly, I didn't exactly do it how I thought, because I thought I was going to be able to come down in here and get all of this. But I don't know how to do it. Okay, I gotta admit, I am tired of trying to make this better, so I'm gonna put a pin in it right now. Okay, so you know how in the other video that I did, I had on brown as well. I think it's so funny because when I used to do my YouTube in the past as well, I used to sometimes find myself making videos in the same shirts, and I'll be like, dang, they're gonna think that I do not wear, that I don't change my clothes. But and then I started just like not wearing any clothes, but and just, you know, showing the top part of me. But since then I have, you know, kind of gotten away from the whole thing. So it, you know, it is what it is. And now that I have like family members and stuff like that that live here, I can't do all of that. So I can't just be naked up in here. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not bad. Okay, it's not bad, but it does look better. I like this side more than this side. You know, it's just hard to bring the thing up and see what I'm doing. It's hard for me to do it. But the back looks good. I mean, you know, it is what it is. And I could totally wear my hair like this tomorrow. I think I will. Because these curls are so soft. You guys, the video never ends succinctly, does it? But I do want to say thank you so much for watching. That is my haircut, my first one in a long time. And of course, they'll just get better from here. But maybe I gave one of you the courage to do your own undercut at home or something. I don't know. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.